Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to log into Discord using a token, but only for educational purposes. This method can be helpful for developers testing bots or managing multiple accounts, but do not use someone else's token. That's a violation of Discord's terms of service. Alright, let's start. First, you'll need your Discord user token. To get it, open Discord and press Ctrl+Shift+I to open the developer tools. Click the Network tab. Now type anything into a text box, like sending a message in a channel. Then, in the Network tab, look for an entry that says Messages or Typing. Click on it, then go to the Header section. Scroll down, and under Authorization. In the Request Headers, you'll see your token. Copy that string. Again, never share this with anyone. Now, to log in using a token, we need a little browser trick. Go to the Discord website in Chrome. Open Developer Tools again. With Ctrl+Shift+I now, go to the Console tab. Paste the following. Code. Replace your token here with your actual token. Then press Enter. Your page will reload. And just like that, you're logged into Discord using the token. Again, only do this for accounts you own or have permission to use. And that's how you log into Discord with a token. I hope this helped. Like and subscribe for more Discord tutorials.